It's blowing me away what we're seeing. In 2018, I came along and took over as manager. We've improved production, and we're always looking for the next opportunity where the next dollar can be made, or where we can improve cow health or longevity. And we started on the Metri Bolus, and I tell you, I've been very impressed with the Metri and what it's done for us. Giving her that Metri, even when they've had twins, and in one situation, triplets. They calved on their own, they cleaned on their own, and I have never seen that in the past. Those cows are, even with twins, are cleaning, and I am just blown away. We've been on the Metri, I think, over a year now. I mean, and it's blowing me away what we're seeing. Like I said, longevity, it's adding to their longevity, and it's providing us with new opportunities too now, because with cows lasting longer, we've actually got dairy animals for sale, and we've sold 70 now in the last 6 months at a pretty premium price. So yes, the products from AHV have got me really excited because of the results I'm seeing. We usually dry up on Thursdays, so on Friday morning when I do my walkthrough and I walk past the dry pen, in the past, after dry off, there were always cows screaming. I mean, just screaming. You could tell the udders were full. They were uncomfortable. They were up walking around. They were at the corner of the bunk, looking down the breezeway and wanting to go to the parlor. Since May 15th, I barely had a murmur. The barn was quiet. I just couldn't believe it. And I've seen the same results for the last 4 weeks. It's just blowing my mind how quickly these cows are relaxed. It's obvious that pressure isn't there, that the StopLac is doing what we need it to do. And what's getting me even more excited is the results I'm hearing from other farms about what they're seeing when these cows are calving back in. By the next day, the inflammation had really subsided, and I was there too. I was blown away by what I'd seen. Yeah, that's the biggest place I've used these boluses. Cows with inflammation, especially pregnant cows. That is really helping. Makes a big difference. I've already been recommending people to use it. And I've talked to our vets extensively about what I'm doing and what I'm seeing. I mean, and they're asking questions. Are you still seeing those kind of results? And I'm telling them, yeah, I am. I said, I'm blown away by what I'm seeing. Yeah, I'm all for getting rid of all these chemicals and antibiotics and stuff out of our food supply. I always encourage our employees too. You know, we're producing a food product. We want to do it as cleanly and safely as possible. You know, we're feeding the world.